Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a recap for you all for Tuesday Live with the Misfits. So Ebony and I decided to, well, let's just say I talked her into doing the birthday challenge for Liana, who is It's a Deal here on YouTube and Instagram. And only because it was a super easy challenge that we could get into. So what Liana required, I didn't get to print off her little flyer thing, but her requirement was for 2 layered die cuts. And now what I mean by layered is you have to have at least 2 layers per die cut. So each die cut had to have at least 2 layers. Okay, so on the live, I decided to do, well, we both did Christmas. And I made Liana some Gingy Cowboys, and these are from KS Crafts. I think this came out last year, last summer. I'm not 100% sure, but I picked that up, and so it came with the cowboy hat and the bow, the face, and had a whole bunch of other details that were super tiny for me, so I didn't want to do that. So I made just the gingy, added the bow, did the little hat, and yeah, so this is what I mean by at least 2. So this is more than 2. This is, you can see here, just the hat alone, there's 1, 2, 3 times, I think I did 2 layers per each paper, except for the designer paper. So that's a lot of layers right there. And then you have the gingy, and the gingy has a bunch of layers plus the bow, so that actually is more than like 6, I think, if you really count all my layers. So I think these qualify, and she could use them, you know, however she wishes. But I decided also to do a Memdex card for her, so it would look like she doesn't have to use it together. I just used the same papers I used for the gingy. So I did some brown cardstock or craft cardstock, and I layered it with some glitter. And this die came with layering pieces. So it has these really pretty edges, and this is another KS Craft die. So let me see if I can. Here it is. So this is an oldie. It's the Christmas die cut, Memdex die cut, and I just love the details. It comes with snowflakes. I did not use the snowflakes. I just used the die, the Memdex die, and it's layering pieces for this really cute memory decks. So I don't know when this one came out, but this is a KS Craft die. I'm not going to link it because I don't think I could find the link for that. So it's up to you. go to Ali, go to Amazon. So that is the Memdex die. And then this die is the gingerbread cowgirl or cowboy, boy or girl. And it comes in 2 sizes. I only used the larger of the set. So you can see, oh, wait a minute. Are they the same size with the Feezy? They are. That is wild. Let me see. Oh, it's left and right facing. So they're just opposed sides facing. So mainly just the hat, because the girl, the gingerbread is exactly the same. So it's a left and right facing cowgirl hat, just in case you wanted to know. But I got this through Amazon, if you don't recognize the package. Actually, no. I think I put it in this. I don't know. I don't know, guys. It might have been a purchase that I made, or it might have been part of a design package, maybe. But anyway, that is the cowgirl gingerbread. So that is what I am sending to Liana, who is It's a Deal here on YouTube. If you want her address, you have to go to her channel and open up the description box and that is where you find her address for her announcement, the video that announces the challenge. You guys, I'm always flustered, but today is really an even more challenging day. But anyway, I cut them out twice. These are the patterns, the Christmas paper that I use. It is from Hobby Lobby, Miss Merry Christmas. Has the little glitter. There's 48 sheets. So I used that paper pad to create her some fun, you know, stuff. And all I'm going to do is put it in a card and send it off to Liana. That's all she wants. She does not want any extras. She really wants to keep it simple. In reality, I could just send her just this, or I could just send her these because they're all layered up, right? But because, you know, I'm trying to cheat a little bit, I'm going to send it to her all four. So anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join the crafty family, and while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. Thumbs up, guys, and thanks for watching.